We're going to start the riff off with the third finger on the 14th fret of the 5th string, the A string. Then go down to the D string, the 4th string at the 12th fret. And then the 14th fret on the D. And we're just going to repeat that. So it's 14, 12, 14. Roll back to the A string at the 14th and just repeat. There's also a lower version of this riff too. 7 on the E, 5, 7 on the D, and repeating there. We're then going to go to a B bar chord, which is a first finger bar on the 7th fret, third finger on the 9th fret of the A string, pinky finger on the 9th fret of the D, and the second finger here on the 8th fret of the G. So we're going to strum the B 3 times, and then there'll always be some mutes afterwards. I like to play down, up, or down, up every time. So it'd be like B, 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 down, up, or B, 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 da, 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 down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. For the next part, we have this little B chord. We've got first finger 11th fret of the G, third finger on the 12th fret of the B, and the second finger on the high E string of the 11th fret. I'm going to strum this twice. Then we'll catch the B and the high E strings with a kind of up, down, up rhythm. So down, down, up. Then going to grab the pinky finger on the 14th fret of the high E string, and here we'll do the same thing, down, up, down. 14 and 12 we're aiming for, 14 high E, 12 on the B. We're going to keep this first finger down on the G string just in case we hit it basically. So we've got that down, down, up. Add in the pinky finger, down, back to the 11th fret, up, down. So we've got so far. We're then going to hit 11 on the high E on its own, sliding up to 16 and hitting it twice more. Back down to 11. I'm going to hit it 3 times on the third time. Sliding up to 18. So far slowly. I'm going to hit this 4 more times after we slid up. And then slide down to 14. And then we go to this chord here, which is like an E chord really. It's based around an E bar chord, but we're just playing the top part of it. Third finger 9th fret at the G, pinky finger 9th fret at the B, and first finger the 7th fret at the high E string. We've got that same kind of strumming pattern from the first chord, down, up. We're then going to bend the pinky finger down to catch 9 and 9 on the high E and B strings before rolling it back to the starting position and catching 7 on high E, 9 on the B, and then 9 on the G and B. So roll down, roll back, and catch G and B, then we do it again, but quicker the second time. So 9 and 9, 7 and 9, 9 and 9. And then we're going to strum that chord again, down, up. And then we're going to go to an E minor chord, which actually is just a 1 finger change. We take the pinky finger off on the B string, and we go to the second finger on the 8th fret of the B string. So now we've got 9, 8, and 7. We're going to strum down, up, down. And there's like a muted strum because we're actually transitioning at that point back to that B chord. So that E minor there, and then we're transitioning back to that B chord. There is 2 guitar parts in the verses. One is played with the top part of this B bar chord. We have a first finger bar on the 7th fret of the high E and B strings, second finger on the 8th fret of the G, and then the third finger on the D string at the 9th fret. I'm going to strum down, up, mute, up, and then leave it to ring. So in the third bar, down, up again, and then in the bar after that, it's ring, there's a little pause, and then up, down, up. So we have 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then to the E chord, which is 9 on the G, 9 on the B, 7 on the high E. This is the same chord we played in the kind of riff between the intro and the verse. And the rhythm is similar: down, up, mute, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And then a little pause to 9, 8, and 7, that E minor chord, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And then we just kind of play on that on repeat. So it's that B chord, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and so that E chord, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and then we just had single strums on that B chord, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, another strum, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the E minor chord as well. So we have the B, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and to that E chord, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and then the single strums B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, another strum, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 to E, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, E minor, 2, 3, 4, and we'll repeat. In the second guitar part, we're going to play that B chord and the E and E minor shapes, all from that riff between the intro and verses. This time the rhythm's going to be on the offbeats, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and so we've got that kind of upbeat syncopated rhythm, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and in the last bar, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and it's like that. Up, down, up on the very last before we go to the E chord, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and 2 and 3 and 4, and then 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and on the E minor, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and that's played on repeat. So we've got that beat, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, and 1 and 2 and 4, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and E and 2 and 3 and 4, and 2 and 3 and 4, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and E minor, 2 and 3 and 4, and for the chords for the chorus, we've got this G sharp minor chord. It's a first finger bar at the 11th fret, and we've got the third finger on the 13th fret of the D, pinky finger 13th fret of the G, and the second finger here on the 12th fret of the B string. Going to strum down, down, up, down, mute, and on that mute strum, we just release the pressure and do a normal up strum. So the fingers are still touching the strings, they're just not coming off when they're not pushing down either. So it's down, down, up, down, mute. Then we're going to move down 2 frets to this F sharp minor chord, same rhythm, down, down, up, down, mute. Then we go to an E bar chord, first finger on the 7th fret, the A, third finger bar on the D string, and G string and B strings at the 9th fret. Same rhythm, down, down, up, down, mute. Then to that E minor chord, again, this is a first finger bar at the 7th fret. Got third finger 9th fret at the D, pinky finger 9th fret at the G, and the second finger on the 8th fret at the B, same rhythm again. To the B minor chord that we used in the kind of intro, down, down, up, down, mute. Then we go to a G minor chord again, but this time it is lower voice, so we've got first finger bar at the 4th fret, third finger on the 6th fret at the A, and the pinky finger 6th fret at the D, same rhythm. C sharp minor, this is the same as that G sharp minor and F sharp minor chords, but down at the 4th fret, so 4, 6, 6, 5, 4. Same rhythm. And then to an F sharp major chord, first finger bar at the 2nd fret, third finger 4th fret at the A, pinky finger 4th fret at the D, and the second finger on the 3rd fret at the G string, same rhythm again. So G sharp minor, F sharp minor, D, E minor, B, G sharp minor, C sharp minor, F, and that's the whole chorus. There is a little lead guitar part over this. Starts at the 13th fret of the G string, playing that twice, going down to 11, and then 13 on the D. And we're going to keep this rhythm quite consistent. We've got 11 on the D twice, 13 on the D, down to 11 on the D, 13, so. Then we've got 9 on the D, 13 on the G, 11 on the G, 13 on the D. Then we play the same again. So the first 4 bars. And then I'm going to play 9 on the D twice, going up to 11, and then 11, 13, all on the D. 11 on the A 3 times, then 9, 10 on the D, 11 on the D 4 times, and then another 3 times. And then the last kind of beats there, 9th fret on the A string 5 times. And the whole thing. We then play the same thing just with some rhythmic variations. 13th fret on the G and going 4 times, down to 11, then 13 on the D. 11 on the D, jumping up to 13 on the G, and then down to 11, and 13 on the D. So, then we've got that riff from the first one, 9, 9, 13, 11, and up to 13 on the D. Play twice. Same riff from before, 9, 9, 11, 11, 13. Then the same riff from before here too, 11, 11, 11, 9, 10, 11, 11, 11, 11, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. So that's second time through.